rise and shine. A new day, time for fun. School today. Meet new friends, teachers too. Thinking things, school bell rings. Time for school.
It's morning and the children and parents are arriving at Lowick School. But today, Abby, Pandra, Charlie and Mitchell are going with Mrs Edmondson to spend the day at the small school on the island for the very first time.
I always want to sit in the booth.
This is Brian.
Here we go.
Yes.
Boys in first.
Two boys in the back.
Sandra, are you getting in?
Pandra, you're in the wet
On that
seat.
one.
On there.
There you go.
Brian puts their seatbelts on and they're off.
Have you ever been to Holy Island, Pandra?
No.
No. What do you think we're going to do? Do you think we're going to have some nice things to do?
Yes.
Yeah.
Waiting for them at the island school is their classmate, Connor, and his teacher, Mrs Fieldhouse.
And to the next one.
Connor lives on the island, so he's already at the small school.
Very good.
Look at that beautiful sky there.
I know, it's lovely, isn't it? See all the clouds and the sun shining through it.
Oh, yes. It's peachy colour.
It's peachy colour, it is.
Look. That big windmill. I like windmills to go down one. I can see the sea.
Can you see the sea, Charlie?
It's over there.
And the road goes over the sand.
To get to the island, the children from the mainland drive on a road across the water. Because the tide is out and the road is clear, Abby, Pandra, Mitchell and Charlie are able to cross the road to the island.
Pandra, when the tide comes in, we can't get over this road.
When the tide comes out, we can go on this
Yeah, when the tide goes out, we can go on the road.
So, and the tide is out,
Yep.
we can go on the road.
We're nearly there.
We're nearly there. That's why.
I think Mrs Fieldhouse will be waiting for us.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hello.
Coming this way.
Oh,
Can I
lovely.
give you your willies?
Hello, Abby. Is that Charlie and Mitchell in the back there?
What about those?
Everyone's happy to see their classmate Connor.
Give him a big hug.
Don't need to take your shoes off.
Connor shows his friends the classroom and everyone settles down to learn some new sounds and words.
So, let's have a look. When we put the A and the I together and two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. This one is called A. And this one, O and A together, say O. Well done, Connor. Okay then, we've got a sound, a sound and a sound. Three sounds, put them together. Rain. What's the word? Rain. This was our new sound yesterday. We only just got this one yesterday. Oh. Now what if I put a g g g g g o g. Well done, goat. Now what if I change this one for this one and now it says B-O-T.
Boat.
Well done, Pandra. That says boat. Time to dress up warm and explore the island. Squeeze in, Abby.
Come find your wellies. They're at the door. You see the green wellies?
Wellies will keep their feet dry.
Here's a nice puddle. You're going to go through it or round it? Through it. Oh, marvellous. That's why you need 4x4 wellies.
The bigger the jump, the bigger the splash.
Do you know, Charlie, I think you could probably be the best puddle jumper I've ever seen. Go on then. These are called the twirly gates. In we go. Go through and show them how to do it. You see, you push and you walk at the same time. You twirl them round.
There you go, one at a time. Right, you go in that one. Right, in that one. Walk in.
Well done. Push, push, push. That's it. That's it. Can you see over there, towards the islands?
You can't see?
Look, what's that in the distance?
There. Did you see it? Did what? Yes.
It's a lighthouse.
It's the lighthouse. You're right, Pandra.
Did you see it, Abby?
It's Longstone Lighthouse. Yes.
It's
And
there.
every 20 seconds, that light shines. Watch again. Waiting for it. Waiting for it.
The lighthouse.
Watch closely.
There. Right.
Wow, that was brilliant.
It was brilliant.
Press again.
Okay, we're going up on the highest hill on the island and see Lindisfarne Castle. But you know what? Once we get up the hill, we'll see even more. That's where we're going, up that little tower there into the lookout.
Can I get a turn of lighting it up?
It's not a lighthouse, it's a lookout. So you can look right the way round about. We're nearly there.
See that, baby man?
Here we are then. We've come all the way around the village and now we're going to go into the lookout. Now there are some steps in here, we've got to be careful. In we come. Now you've got to hold on to the rail as we go.
Because I'm very slippery from all
Yeah, so
that
be
dirt.
careful.
Come on, Charlie, one more step.
Well done. Come on then, darling, I'll hold this other hand. Whoop. Here we are. Whoa, it's a long way up. And the school is over there. Can you see the tower? It's just beside the water tower, the school. And there's the harbour down there with the fishing boats where Connor's daddy goes fishing from.
Where's his dad?
I don't think he's fishing today. Can you see some little black dots? Do you know what those little black dots are?
What, yeah?
They're seals. Seals. And in the middle of the night, they go, ooh. There's a little red seal there called Pandra. There's a Charlie McFarley seal here going, ooh. Do you know, when the water comes in, the seals who sit on those, they have to go off swimming and looking for fish. And then the tide comes out again, and the sandbar appears, and the little seals come back, and then they shout to each other again. Hold down nice and safe.
Off they go to get a closer look. I wonder what Pandra can see. What is it? It's a seal.
Pandra, the island explorer, on another intrepid adventure. Do you know what? We've run out of time and we're going to have to go and have our lunch. Come on then. better go back.
Tundra. We'll go back in the taxi. Oh,
Time to walk back to school
everybody splash!
and splash in more puddles.
Rescue!
Come in. Way. Way.
Oh, well done, Connor.
Thanks for showing all of us your island, Connor.
Quick. That's right.